So it's the moment of truth, and what I've done here, rouse marinara sauce out of the jar for this one, and this is mine, and meatballs on both, of course. And what I wanted to do was show you, and then, bear with me, I wanted to do a spoon because I wanted to make sure I got sauce. So first I'm going to try rouse. And by the way, this was just over a half hour in the sauce, bubbling. As you know, I did half pork and half beef, so I wanted to give it a little extra time. But it looks pretty darn good. A couple of quick things. First, it's very creamy inside. It's not dry. It was 2 full cups of breadcrumbs, but it was also the 2 cups of water. For whatever reason, it works great. Sauce, of course, is delicious. I love rouse sauce. So now we'll do mine. And once again, as you can see, it's very, very tender. So a couple of quick points. One, mine tastes kind of surprisingly like rouse. I looked on the label to see how many ingredients they have, and they virtually have the same ingredients. So it's a little more rustic. Mine's a little chunkier, not quite as fine. This is a bit more of a puree. But in terms of flavor, mine might have just a hint more acidity from the tomatoes, just a hint. As for the meatballs themselves, they're delicious. They're literally creamy smooth inside while being fully cooked. They're very rich in flavor, but they taste like a meatball. So it's not as if it's been so overloaded with other things that you're really not tasting the flavor of meat. It's a really delicious meatball.